Okay, so let's look at our last problem here on this page. We have 5 plus 2 to the third power times 3 divided by 4 times 5 minus 2 times 7. Now the thing we said was to remember that this fraction bar acts like a grouping symbol, and so because of that we can treat the top and the bottom as being separated. So we said if you would like, you may do one operation on the top and one operation on the bottom, and they won't affect each other. So let's go ahead. I'm going to kind of write up above here a little bit. 5 plus 2 cubed times 3, 4 times 5 minus 2 times 7. Well, our first thing would be to get the exponent done. So that would be 5 plus 8 times 3. On the bottom, we can go ahead and do these two multiplications. So we have 20 minus 14. Our next step would be to go ahead and multiply this out. So 5 plus 24. And on the denominator, go ahead and do the subtraction. 20 minus 14 is 6. And our last step then would be to add on the top 29 divided by 6. Now, many of you ask, how do I know whether or not I can simplify? Well, let's look. What are the factors of 6? Just 3 and 2. Those are the only prime factors that I have. If I look, does 3 go into 29? No, it doesn't. Does 2 go into 29? No, it doesn't. Those are the only factors that I have to worry about. Since neither of those go into 29, I know that nothing else will go into 29. The other way to look at this is 29 going to be prime? Yes, it is. So that is another way to look at it. But you always want to look at the factors that can go into one and see if they go into the other also.